to today's video. I'm here with my little munchkin, Sadie Mae, and today, Sadie Mae is gonna do Mommy's makeup. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hand her each product, each step.
Mom, wait.
What?
I'm talking to Jesus.
You talking to Jesus? Oh, that's good. We love Jesus, don't we?
Jesus was put over that.
Oh.
Stop it.
So I'm gonna hand her each item that I would normally use, and I'm gonna tell her where to put it, and that's it. I'm not giving her any help.
Mom, listen. And perfect.
Okay. You ready to do Mommy's makeup?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Can you put this on Mommy's face? I'll give you a little bit. Okay. Put it on Mommy's face. On my cheekies. Oh, okay.
Is that better? There.
Okay. Okay, up next, let's do some foundation. Okay. You're gonna put this all over Mommy's face. Ooh. Oh, you're doing such a good job. Okay. That's better. Oh, thank you. That's better. Can you rub it in?
Okay, Mommy. That's done.
That's done. You're done?
Yes, Mommy. This is a wash my face.
Next, we're going to do Mommy's concealer. Let's see. Can you put this under Mommy's eyes? Oh! Under Mommy's eye. Oh, or on top of it. And right here. Oh, okay. Can you use this and rub it in for Mama? Oh, good job. Oh, you're doing so good. No. Ow. What about this? You gonna rub it in real good? Oh,
Is that better, Mommy?
that's better.
Is that better, Mommy?
That's better, baby. Let's do some powder on Mommy's face. Put some powder on Mommy's face. Under my eyes.
Wow! Good, Mommy.
On my nosy. My chin.
Let's do this. Shoot.
Shoot.
Huh? Oh.
Next, Mommy normally does her bronzer. So, put some of this on Mommy. Oh, good job. You know where to put it. Oh.
Another?
Yeah, another.
Ah.
Oh, I'm going to look so good.
Here we go.
There we go. Oh, on the chin.
And my face. Mine's dirty.
Mommy's dirty. Does Mommy look dirty?
It's my nose.
Yeah.
My nose is dirty.
Yeah. Let's try some blush. Okay.
Some sparkles. It's so clean.
Do I look pretty?
No, that's dirty. That's dirty, Mommy.
That's dirty?
It's so clean.
We need to clean it? Next, we're gonna do Mommy's eyebrows. Yeah, wow. Look, you only gotta do Mommy's eyebrows. Oh, good job.
Other side.
Oh, the other side. There we go. Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. Next, we're gonna do eyeshadow.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. No, no. No.
Look.
No, I don't want that. Yeah.
Okay, you get to pick any color you want. Oh, you want that one? We're gonna do a smoky eye today. Oh, and gold. Okay, put it on my eyes. Oh,
Yellow.
yellow.
And this is something else.
Get some more.
And
Oh, that's a pretty color.
oh,
Oh, thank you. Does Mommy look pretty?
No, dirty.
Pretty?
That's dirty.
Okay. Next, we're going to do Mommy's eyeliner. Do you think you can do that for Mama? Okay, here. Look. This goes, let me show you where. Look at Mommy. It goes right here on Mommy's eyes.
Put it right here.
Okay. Oh, we're going down there. Okay. Oh, you're going to give me a wing?
No.
Okay. You're going to do Mommy's mascara.
Oh, yeah, that.
Okay.
I got one.
This goes in Mommy's eyelashes. Oh, good job. Okay. You did a good job. Yeah. What's left?
Lips.
You like to do lips. Let's do lips. What colored lips do you want Mommy to have? Pink or red or orange?
No, orange.
Orange? You want to do this lip on Mommy? Okay, paint it on Mommy's lips. Oh, okay, do the top lip. Does Mommy look pretty?
No.
We gotta do Mommy's spray. Can you spray Mommy's face with this? Push it down. Oh! Press it hard. Oh! Press it hard. Okay. And Mommy needs some highlight. Let's use the ice cream one.
It's green.
And I'll let you use this brush. Here.
Yes.
Okay, give me some highlight. Ooh.
Yes.
Oh, we're gonna do two on one side. Oh, yeah, and yellow too. Okay. Am I done? Oh, we're done with that? Let's do some more spray. One more spray. Oh! Mommy looks. Did you do Mommy's makeup?
No, Mommy.
Give me a high five. I think you did a great job. Beautiful.
Quick.
A party? Does Mommy look like she's ready for a party? Give me double fives. Woo! Give me big ones. Woo! Did you do a good job? Yeah. You did a good job on the lip. Okay. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
Thumbs ups.
Please subscribe
Subscribe.
if you want to see more.
And see more.
All right. So thank y'all for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.